Today we're going to review the Blackstone 22-inch gas tabletop griddle. With its two H-style burners that put out 24,000 BTUs of even heat, the 22-inch tabletop griddle provides 361 square inches of cooking area to cook a variety of delicious meals for your family and friends. You can cook eggs, tortillas, meat, hamburgers, hot dogs, pancakes. If you can dream of it, you can cook it on this griddle. It features durable stainless steel construction, ensuring long-lasting performance and easy cleaning. The grease management system helps you to keep your cooking surface clean and allows for hassle-free cleanup. Equipped with two independently controlled burners with built-in ignition, you have precise heat control for different cooking zones. The griddle heats up quickly and evenly, providing consistent results every time. It measures 22.5 by 19 by 9 inches and weighs 32 pounds. It also comes in several additional sizes with a 17-inch or a 22-inch griddle and with or without a hood. Last but not least, it also comes with a 1-year warranty. So whether you're camping, tailgating, or simply hosting a backyard barbecue, the Blackstone Tabletop Griddle is a convenient and versatile cooking companion. We highly recommend it.